this problem, we're gonna solve for two different accounting ways. One is cash basis, which is companies record revenue at the time they receive cash, and then accrual basis is in the period in which the event occurs. So we'll first start out with cash basis. So if you look over here at my Excel spreadsheet, so I'll click under the cash basis here. So you're just dealing with cash here that has been spent. So if you look at my problem, I did it wrong. I missed a kilo point of the insurance coverage. So because they paid for a whole year and they already paid cash for it, it goes under that expense. So you're going to take the revenue you have in cash minus your expense of what you paid in cash for expenses, and your insurance expense, which is going to come out to your total of $9,650. And then for your accrual basis, what you're going to do is you're going to take everything that together. So for Coleman Company, their recognized service revenue was $31,800, and their total operating expense is $17,100. And so you're going to take that $31,800 and subtract it from the $17,100, which comes out to the total of $14,700. And accrual basis is the best type of accounting. Is more useful for decision makers because you see, the correct balance, because everything is taken into play, not just when you receive cash. Hopefully this makes sense, and if you have any questions, let me know.